Wow, the rest of this done with good job. Already. I don't know. What did they with their dad? So everything. E, please. Let's go. Let's go. Wow, the lure is being repainted. Now, in the only 50 we go below to the next one, which is a nice car. So I got this dip. So you believe it like this dip you get.
De pequeñajo, no, de muy pequeñajo.
No,
Eso de
but
cuando una persona tiene 4 años, 5 años.
so there's nothing. It's only for preschool. So the film was only for preschool. No, the film was not for preschool.
La chica que te le iba a mandar para abajo.
You know, saying that is, preschool can get a camera, so we can be.
Le tienes que buscar hacer transporte esto.
So I will find another thing for this. It's because
Jugar con los demás niños, dar un paseo, paseando.
so I will go with the other students.
Y porque la Yeye ya se está cansando. Yo cuando me canse de tanto recorrido hacer lo mismo, me vengo a por ti, pero no vamos a todos los ascensores.
So
El año que viene ya entra en sexto, el último del año de primaria, y va todavía con el ascensor.
how it can be possible? I never see the film in the life enough for preschool. So you haven't never seen one little kid of preschool film in the life. I never see this. That's not like a preschool thing.
Pero de esta acera ya hemos grabado bastante, vamos a dar la vuelta. La Yaya se cansa, que luego es que hay muchos ascensores por otro lado.
So how often? But then they are not any leave for preschool. The kids at preschool can break the lift. No filming.